Okay, let's throw this basic roof on top. But before we do that, the windows are brown. They're like a wooden material. So I want to change that for these as well. I want to change it into this color. So I'll select this, edit type, duplicate, wood for the wooden frame, and OK. First I'll hit OK, and then I'll right click this, select all instances visible in view. I'll do that to this. So right click this and select all instances visible in view and change it to wood. Okay. Now we can edit this without having to duplicate because we did that already. Change the material to wood. Window frame. What's this material anyway? What is it exactly? Door panel, door frame mullion. Edit type. Go for that little invisible box here. Let's see what happens if we just press wood. Okay. And this as well. This has to change to wood. Hit OK. There we are. Nice. It's looking good. I think I'm gonna change the sun direction so it shines better, or I could just use consistent colors. Let's quickly change the sun position so that it shines on the front of the building. Sun settings, sunlight from top left, apply. That's better. If you want to add shadows, you can do that. Okay, let's throw a roof on top. I'm gonna say that this one is a 40-degree pitch and this one is a 30-degree pitch. Right, we'll just go by that guess. Maybe it's 35. So, and the overhang, 150, 200, 300, 400, about 350. Go into roof. Let's put one down by clicking roof, and we can use the pick line tool or pick wall. No, pick line. Now you can set the offset at 350 or you can offset it afterwards, and define slope. If you want to understand roofs, I'm not going to explain too much here. I'm not going to go too in depth, but if you want to understand roof forms, there's a video here. This is a good video. It'll help you understand how the roof forms. Watch this video if you want to know, if you want to understand, if you want to control your roof and generate the outcome for your roof exactly how you intended. Right, I'll just go through what we need for this tutorial. So I have defined slope checked and pick lines. I'm gonna pick the edges like this, and I've skipped this one because we're gonna create two separate roofs and join them together. So I'm gonna use extend to corner and just click these together. Click these together. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the offset tool and I want an overhang of 350. I don't want to copy the line, I just want it to move. So uncheck that. And where I see the dashed line, that's where the line will appear. So click, 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 wrong way, and click again. Now you'll notice these triangle symbols on all the lines. This means the roof will slope upwards to the center. And I don't want all four sides sloping to the middle point. I only want this side sloping up to the middle and this side sloping up to the middle like this. So this side is sloping up to the middle here and that side sloping up to the middle here. So I'm removing the slope from these two. And we said that this is about 40 degrees or 35. So I'm going to highlight these two. The reason I say there's a difference between the two is because this is not connecting right to that point. It's connecting lower. So the pitch of this roof, so the pitch of this valley is less than the pitch of that main roof. So I'll highlight these and just for now I'll put 35. We'll put 35 and hit OK. Now let's look in 3D. Now that's not what I wanted to look at, but it is the roof. So maybe 35 is too much. It looks too much compared to this. Or does it? First, let's change the material of the roof to roof generic. And I want to change the actual material so it's like tiles. Edit type. Duplicate. Tiled roof. I'm going to edit. And click that and let's find tiles. Tile. Roofing tile. Just hit OK, don't click use render appearance because we're going to change the color anyway. Let's just see how it looks first. Good. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is click this. I'll change its pitch to 30. I think 35 might be too much. That looks better. This wall shouldn't be cutting through the roof. So something's not right. What I'll do is I'll delete this and just draw it again from the roof. Remember to pick the roof that you made. Roof, tiled roof. Pick lines and I'll show you the offset here. So 350. We can click like this. And then join them all together like this. I forgot to remove the pitch from these two. okay. I don't like that it's cutting through like that. We can fix this. Alright, now to fix this problem, the wall wants to comply with the roof, but because the top of the wall is straight, that's what's causing it to cut through like this. So you take your wall, attach top, base, then click the roof, and there you go. Same with this. Alright, now do that for all of them. Control. Attach top to base. And click the roof. And if I was to hide this now, you can see how the top of the wall is still angled to fit the roof nicely, while this isn't. Unhide. Okay, I want to change the color of the roof, so click it, edit type, and we don't have to duplicate because this is our duplicate. So click edit, roofing tile, and let's duplicate this. Duck, and appearance, duplicate the asset, graphics. What was the color anyway? Kind of an unsaturated, bluey, dark blue. Let's just go for grey. Grey looks okay. Bit darker than this. Bit different. There we are. That's the sort of color I'm looking for, so okay. And okay. And okay. And okay. So I'm going to continue connecting these bits to the roof. You can watch me as I go. The same for these. Okay, some trick work to do here. Right. Now I've joined this up, but this part has to be white. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to isolate this and go right. And I'm going to split this. Okay, this is a tricky part now. There's a number of options, there's a number of things we can do. We can take one of these and edit them. Edit the profile, I mean. And get it to fill up this space. Or probably a better thing to do would be to take this wall, copy to clipboard, and then paste aligned to selected levels, roof. and I'll make it white, and then I'll just drag this line up here, and I'll attach the top to the base of the roof like this. Remove the window. There we are. Now let me sort out this roof, and you could probably take care of it from here, but let me sort this roof out. So go to roof again. And architecture, roof. Oh, we can do this as well. We can right click this roof, create similar. And I'll just draw a square up to here, up to what we can see. I know this wall extends further back, but just do what I show you. Remove the pitch from here. Now we set that pitch at 35, so we're setting these pitches at. Now we set that pitch at 30, so we're setting this pitch at 25. Okay. Edit footprint, because I forgot to offset these lines for the overhang. I'll offset this one, and this one, but not this one because there's no overhang on this side. Okay, back into 3D. Well, you can see my mistake here. Edit footprint. These are not the ones to define the roof slope. It's these end ones. And hit OK. Alright. That's a big difference compared to this. Let's change this to 30 then. Either this changes to 30. It is 30 already. Perhaps we are looking from... Let me see what it looks like in perspective. So if we were standing about there, yeah, looks like the picture. No, it doesn't. Alright, let's lower the pitch then. Not minus, just 25. And this one 30. Something slightly amiss. I think that's about as close as we'll go. I don't want to put a 40. Looks sensible. So again, I'm taking these two walls first and attach top to base. And then this wall I want this to extend to the end so that it doesn't cause problems on this side. So let's go into ground FFL. Now watch carefully. Unpin drag this back and select this and then trim it to the end here, and then drag this down to join here, and now it should be all the way from end to end. Copy, paste aligned to roof, ignore that, delete these doors, change this into a white wall, go into roof and make sure this is going out to this wall line here. And if it's giving trouble, go to front, just do this to it. I can't see the pick lines for this, so I will edit profile and force Revit to do what I want it to do. Okay. Now we can attach this to this. Now what's your problem? Okay, again, it's being difficult, so we can also do this. Detach it, go to front, edit, pick lines, and then get rid of this and this, and now we can trim these together. Okay, and there we are. There's one thing we've missed. That hole. So this part is easy. Come up to this symbol here, this tool. Join and unjoin roof. And click the face of this one. The face. The face, you understand? Any line that's on the face. Now click the whole face. You see that? See the blue lines highlighting the whole face of that roof? Click it. And that happens. Perhaps this should be 30 all along. Or 35. And we'll go ahead and edit this again. Highlighting both of these lines and dragging them down. And it looks a bit off accuracy, so just get rid of them. And pick new lines and join them. There we are. Okay, now eventually we are gonna sort this out. There needs to be a hole here, but we'll sort that out when we're doing the structure. So this is it for part 2. If you enjoyed, then hit the like button and let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.